Good morning, world. Today is our last day in Llavorsi. So today we're going back to Barcelona with the motorbike. And today we have a cool plan for this morning. We're gonna go to do horse riding. So I'm gonna go with Andrea and we're gonna enjoy like 2 hours of horse riding road. I will try to record something and share something with you guys so you can also enjoy it, but I'm not sure how long or how I will be able to record. Andrea just went to do some running. I'm here like wrapping things up and preparing for the ride back to Barcelona, and when she comes back we're gonna go to have breakfast and then to the horse riding place, which is quite near here. It's like over there, and yeah, because the village is really small, as I said yesterday, the village is small, so everything is close. And yeah, that's our plan for today. And then coming back to Barcelona, we're gonna have lunch somewhere around here, and yeah, and that's it. We're here now ready to do some horse riding with the horses over here. So yeah, we're ready now, waiting for the last people that's missing to start the ride. They are full of flies everywhere. We're almost ready to go. We just finished the route with the horses. It was really cool, and yeah, we went up to that mountain over there. We went down then, and we crossed the river 2 times, like one when going there, another one when coming back, and it was really cool. What do you think, Andrea?
Yeah, it was amazing.
And we're back at home. After several hours working with the bike, we are back in Barcelona. It was a really nice day. It was sunny. We were expecting clouds, but at the end it was sunny. We were doing the horse riding. It was amazing, and we're back here. So thank you for watching as always. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button down below the video, add your comments, and yeah, we read all the comments. I read all the comments, my girlfriend reads also some of the comments, so keep them below, subscribe to my videos, and see you next time.